Okay, it's now time to talk about exporters. Exporters are a way to get information automatically on an order ready to go to either a machine or a nesting software or something outside of Allmoxy. These can be customizable. In order to start doing so, you come here to the Settings tab and go to Exporters um, and create the general settings for the export. So in this example, we will walk through a Cabinet Vision ORD file. Um, in here, you can choose the data format that you want to have come out. Common types are CSV, XML, or just plain text. Then choose the extension, the file extension. So in this case, it's an ORD file. There is no header or footer in this example, but if you wanted to start the job or the file out with a header and a footer and then put all the product information in between, you would do that here using the variables that are available on the left hand side of the screen. Then you can do one line per item or one line per part. Once these settings are done and you now have a bucket, a place to go put the data to. The data is located for exports on the product itself. So if we go to a product, base 1 drawer 1 rollout in our example, and go to the parts tab, it's here that you will find, if you scroll to the bottom, the export locations or the data for the export locations. If you open this up, you can see that there is information here for the ORD, and it is choosing to export this to that exporter that you just created, the Cabinet Vision ORD, or that's already created. Now, this is a standard format for an ORD. ORDX is also available, and many other formats, XML, again, as it was indicated. Now, what is taking place is that this information is just pointing to other attribute fields. So in the construction type product attribute, there is a column called catalog. When you replace that name in whatever is in the dropdown in that column, that's what it's going to place here. So now as long as that name matches the file, it will create the ORD and send it over. In like manner, field by field, these can be replaced and matched so that as an order comes in, this file is automatically created and sitting on the order when it comes in. On the left hand side, this ORD file is ready to go.